everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and today I am going to put 14 photos on a 2-page layout. So I'm scrapbooking some Halloween pictures. I had boatloads of these and really kind of culled down what I thought were just sort of repeats. These are my grandkids and some friends of theirs. So I wanted, we have lots of group shots and just, there's a lot of craziness going on in these pictures, but it will document it for the kids and for my stepson and his wife, just to be reminded of this. So the first thing I'm going to do, this is an easy one. I have 6 portrait photographs. I'm taking that strip of striped paper, which is the Doodlebug Ghost Town Candy Sticks paper, and I'm mounting it right in the middle of that black star paper, which is the Doodlebug Ghost Town Star Bright paper. And then I'll just mount these, 3 above, 3 below, done. All I have to do now is put embellishments on this side. The other place where I'm going to get 8 photos into that other page is where all the magic is going to happen, and 8 photos and a large journaling card are going on that other side. So I've started out with that orange paper from Doodlebug Petite Prints, the tangerine gingham linen paper, and then because I have the stripe on one side, I want to put the stripe on the other. That helps put a little bit of space between all of the photos. So I cut a piece of the striped paper just to fit with a border that I thought was something similar to the other side, but it's not exactly, and the stripes are going 2 different ways, so I'm not mimicking anything from side to side. I'm just using some common papers and, more importantly, common colors, because the stripe and the stars all have kind of the same colors in them, or some of the same colors, and then that orange background paper as well. So now I am working on making my flip book, my little flip ups here. And what I do is I put the photos or the cards, whatever I'm going to do, really close together, and then I'm using a piece of washi tape on the underside so that you can't see it. Now, you could also put it on the top of this, on the top of the photos, except if I'd done that with these photos, some of them I would have missed, like I would have overlapped people's heads and that kind of stuff. Plus, I didn't want to have to worry. If I do that, then I want to put that washi tape in other places. So I wanted this to be as clean as possible, my flips here as clean as possible, because I had so much going on. Now you can also get, I know Simple Stories makes photo flips. I think Creative Memories might make photo flips. There are companies that make them, but I find it just as easy to make my own here. And so then I'm also just kind of trying to be conscious of, okay, what do I need to do here to make the flip? So I'm using, in that particular case, I'm using a card from Me and My Big Ideas, a 4x6 card that came from a wedding collection, but on the back it just has a white grid paper. And so now that I'm not using the wedding collection anymore, now that I've been through that, I'm just using the gridded paper, and I love that. I love those grids. They're so easy. Okay, so then I know that this particular washi is going to be covered by the picture on the front, so I just covered that up. And then I can just attach this one. It was a little long, so I had to cut that, just checking out to make sure that everything's fitting properly there. And so now I have 8 photos and a journaling card on a 1-page layout. I would, if I had just the 8 photos, I probably would have normally done it on a 2-page spread. But then again, this is a nice way if you're trying to conserve space in your books to get some space conserved. I'm now just adding in those last 2 pictures on the left-hand side. We actually ended up having 2 Harry Potters this day. That was very cute. We had one of the characters from Frozen. We had a lot of superheroes and then some spooky guys. So it was an interesting mix. And I usually go trick-or-treating with my grandkids every year. I'm not in any of these pictures, but I was wearing a witch's hat. So, and a little bit, I tend to wear the hat. Sometimes I'll wear a t-shirt or something like that, but I don't dress up a ton, just a little bit of fun. So now I'm embellishing that journaling card. So I'm going to take the washi tape and give myself a line to embellish on here. And that washi tape is from Queen & Company. I forgot to tell you that before. And I just tucked it underneath there. Looking at some of the supplies I have here, kind of looking at what can I use. I have this Doodlebug Ghost Town die. They're called odds and ends, so they're the die cuts. And I found this cute one of this little witch in a little scooter, and it, you know, nothing symbolic here, it's just cute. And then I found this sticker from the Doodlebug Ghost Town This and That stickers, and so I added that in here. Also added that October 31st sticker from the Ghost Town collection as well. And then I'm adding in the ones on the right side say Smell My Feet, Trick or Treat, and October 31st. It will eventually come in. Sorry, guys, I haven't put that one down yet. I like to add those in. I like to add as many of those little phrasey things and that kind of stuff. So here's where I'm adding in some of the stickers. So I put this sticker up that said family because it was largely family and friends that are like family. So then I'm taking these stars from Ellie's Studio and the puffy stars. They're the puffy stars from Ellie's Studio. That's where I find another sticker to kind of even out and to use at least 2 rectangular phrase stickers here. Kind of even out so that there's 3 spots of embellishment and they're kind of diagonal. Those 2 phrase stickers are diagonal across the layout. All right, you guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.